right now I'm going to show you how to actually locate your power button, your restart button, and your hibernate button or your sleep button, right? So all you need to do is go to where you have your start button here. This is your start button, and the next thing you want to do is come here to where you have the power. Okay, tap on the power or click on it, right? And then here you can see sleep, shut down, and restart. So with this sleep you can actually resume your system. Once you sleep your system, you can come back to resume it to start wherever you stopped, right? But if you shut down your system, you have to start over again. And when you restart your system, you already know what that means. You are restarting it. All right, you're shutting down and owning it back without pressing the power button. That's the restart for you. Okay, so another thing you need to do is you can do rather to access this is by right clicking on your start button, right? Once you right click on your start button, you can see all these options here, and down here you have the shutdown and or resign or sign out. So under here you can see all the options, so you can see and sign out, sleep, shut down, and restart, right? Okay, that's all for how to use your power button. And just in case you've been wondering how you can explore other sites on the computer, all you need to do is come down to where you have this folder here, this folder explorer, and double tap on it. All right, so here you can see the various options. You can see desktop. This is what is in desktop. Download documents and the rest, pictures. Yes, okay. You can see music. You can see other options. You can see videos too. So that's how to explore other options. And just in case you don't like the lineup of your folders and you want something more easy to view, all you need to do is come down here and then tap on display items by using large thumbnails, right? So here you can see you can change it to this if you want. Okay, so there are other options here, but I think that's the most important thing you should know about this. Okay, now I will be showing you how to create a folder on your computer. Now this is very simple. All you need to do is and then scroll down to where you have new. Okay, then go to your right and click on folder, right? So now a folder has been created. Now you can rename your folder if you want. Let's say this folder name is real project, right? Okay, now after renaming your folder, all you need to do is tap on enter. Now you can see you have successfully created a folder for yourself. Then to open your folder, all you need to do is double click or double tap on your folder to open, right? Now I'm going to close, and then to view more options for your folder, all you need to do is now you can see the various options from open to properties, right? Here you can decide to, down here again you can decide to rename your folder and copy, cut, and other things that you can do. Now that we have successfully created our folder, the next thing I want to do is copy a file or a document to my folder. So just in case you want to copy anything to your folder, all you need to do is go to where you have what you want to copy and then drag. You can either drag to move. Remember, when you are moving, you no longer have it there again. is the same thing as cutting, right? Remember, cut is when you're cutting and pasting, you won't see the file again. But for instance, to copy and then double tap to open to see the various options, then paste, right? So now if I go back to desktop, I can still see my document here, right? But if I copy this file to my folder, I will not see it again. Remember, you can either double tap to open and then paste, or if you don't want to waste so much time, you can decide to right click and then paste from here. Okay, so now if I should do this, replace, if I should do this, you see that I no longer have this file on my desktop again. So when you're cutting, remember, you're not going to see your file again at the previous place. Okay, and also cutting is the same thing as moving your file. Okay, for instance, this file here, if I should move it to this place, I will no longer see it here again because it has been moved.